So kahapon, nag-birthday kami kay Sandy May. Sila pala yung mga kasama ko. Bali si RD and then yan. Yan yung food namin. And then, syempre binidyo ko kung gaano kayami yan kasarap. Yan, sibiyas subo. Charis. And then, yan. Kumakain mga bisita. Habang kumakain, may kumakanta, which is yung sister and the pinsan mo. My birthday, which is si Sandy. Yan, hindi ko yung makaka-close. Wala ang ka-close ko lang dito yung mga sa akin sa dahil si Rizal. Yan, this ang mga kanila na yan. Bali, entourage na ng kuya niya. Para sa second round, kumanta sila. Pakinggan natin yung kanta nila. Super talented itong si girl. Meron niyang alam na sobrang dami. Isa pa lang ng event. Kumanta na siya. Hindi ko na nag-videohan. Hindi ko din siya na-picturean dun sa room niya. Just red. Maganda. Promise. Paling
huwag na pong mag-TikTok. Okay lang po? Pero hindi po exempted yung mga susunod. Okay po? So for the next treasure po, do we have right now, Ma'am Elma Melyundaga po from... Okay, so let's have Sir Benny, ang ating nakanta kanina, the concert teacher.
Sinukat ko, ngunit kulang.
Wow! Grabe to, meron si Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ano po yung mic para makahula din kami na. Okay po, sige po. Wow. Okay, very good, Abraham and Ate. Let's have now Ice Chorus. Batang pinsan na lalaki. Nakasmile pa si Ice talaga. Ang saya-saya na to dance with her ate. Come on, dance. Dance with ate. Dance with ate. Alright, let's ready? One more time. Sige, isa pa. One more chance.
Kasi natatakot. Pero yun, ako ay nagpento sa namin. Piliting puta. Piliting puta. Piliting tama pa rin. Kasi ako, yan is yung pare sa pagkakas.
Pero yung maniligaw, doon kayo. Mga bata pa kayo, ano yung sinasabi ng mga selos? Wala rin marites dyan. light po daw tayo. Dim light.
Take your hand, take a breath, pull me close and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine and let the music be your guide. Won't you promise me that's all that is okay? Keep dancing wherever we go next. It's like catching lightning, a chance is to find someone like you. It's one in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. Every step together. Take my hand, I'll take the lead, and every turn will be safe with me. Don't be afraid to fall. You know I'll catch you through it all, and you can't keep the past so can't keep us apart. 'Cause my heart is wherever you are. It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you. It's one in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. Together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Oh, no mountains too high, no oceans too high. Together all night, our tears won't stop. Let it go. What we have is worth the fight for. You know I believe that we were meant to be. It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you. It's one in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. Every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
Wow, palapakan naman natin. Mga friends po, ni Sandy May for the episode. Ayan. So,
Good evening po sa ating lahat. Hindi ko na po ito pahahabain. Before my David party comes to an end, I'd like to thank everyone, especially my parents and my friends, my family, lahat po na dumating po sa araw na ito. Thank you to everyone who has helped me in developing my own personality. I am who I am today because of you. Thank you so much, especially to my parents. Thank you for everything you've done for me, not just today, but throughout
throughout my life. To family, to friends, this event would not be possible without you. Lord Almighty God, provider of life and love, for guiding us in making this occasion happen. Again, thank you all for coming. Your presence is the perfect birthday present for me. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Ayan, so palakpakan naman natin si Sandre. And we'll hear a song from her cousin and ate, and also you can join them sing. The title